Congress leader Rahul Gandhi was finally in Bihar today, where he finally kicked off his campaign for the assembly polls, addressing a joint rally in Bihar with Mahagathbandhan's chief ministerial face, Tejashwi Yadav. While addressing the rally, a Congress leader said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi can do any drama to win votes. He says he can even dance for votes. Now, the BJP was quick to hit back at Rahul Gandhi, saying his language was like that of a local goon and that his actions have mocked voters and Indian democracy as well as all those who voted for Prime Minister Modi.
अगर आप कहोगे नरेंद्र मोदी जी आप ऐसा ड्रामा करो वोट के लिए, वो कर देंगे। जो भी करवाना है करवा लो। मैं कह रहा हूं आप उनको कहो कि देखो भैया हम आपको वोट देंगे, आप स्टेज पे आके नाच लो, वो नाच लेंगे। नाच लेंगे, कह रहा हूं आप कोशिश करो। मोदी जी आइए, स्टेज पे आइए, भाषण मत दीजिए, डांस कर दीजिए, हम आपको वोट देंगे, देखना कर देंगे। जो भी करवाना है करवा लो। मैंने पिछली मीटिंग में कहा देखो भैया चुनाव से पहले आप मोदी जी से कुछ भी करवाना चाहते हो करवा सकते हो। अगली मीटिंग में आएंगे, भीड़ से कोई कहेगा, एक आदमी नहीं, अगर भीड़ से 200 लोगों ने कहा मोदी जी स्टेज पे जरा डांस कर दीजिए हम वोट देंगे, डांस शुरू हो जाएगा, तो भरतनाट्यम करना शुरू कर देंगे स्टेज पे।
राहुल गांधी जी अक्सर अनुचित शब्दों का प्रयोग करते हैं और जहां मोदी जी की बात आती है तो वहां राहुल गांधी जी और कांग्रेस पार्टी उनके कई नेता इस प्रकार की शब्दावली का प्रयोग करते हैं। बंदर, निपुंसक, गंदी नाली का कीड़ा, गंगू तेली, चौकीदार चोर है, चाय वाला, ये सब शब्द जो है मोदी जी के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी और राहुल गांधी जी और उन सब ने इस्तेमाल किया। तो ये स्पष्ट करता है उनके पास एक मोदी जी को गलियाने के सिवा और कुछ है नहीं और जनता ये तय करेगी। जनता लगातार मोदी जी, उनकी सरकार, राज्यों में जो डबल इंजन सरकार है हमारी, उसको देखते हुए जनता वोट दे रही है और राहुल गांधी जी के पास गलियाने के सिवा और कोई एजेंडा है ही नहीं।
Actually, if you look at the whole statement, by his hatred and bitterness for the Prime Minister again translates into his hatred for the country, and here he has mocked the Hindu Dharma again. If you look at Rahul Gandhi's statements closely, he makes derisive comments about the Prime Minister, but he also grossly insults the sentiments of the people of Bihar by mocking the sacred Chhat Puja. Rahul Gandhi called the sacred Chhat Puja a drama. The people of Bihar will never forget nor forgive Rahul Gandhi for his blasphemous remarks. Rahul Gandhi is a repulsive repeat offender when it comes to abusing Hindu Dharma. He neither respects nor will understand the greatness of Hindu Dharma. Imagine him equating drama and Chhat Puja together, the sacred Chhat Puja, where, when it involves the sentiments of all Hindus and especially the people of Bihar. You remember that Rahul Gandhi had slandered the sacred Sengol, which was given to him by the revered Shaivite Adinams who hail from the backward class community, and Rahul Gandhi kept a sphinx-like silence when George Panaya hurled abuses at Ma Shakti, and he parroted his words. Later he said, Hindu Dharma, there is a word Shakti and we are fighting against it. And no one will forget how Rahul Gandhi pungently said that the sacred Ram Mandir Pran Pratishtha ceremony was a dance and song event. People of Bharat and the people of Bihar will never accept a person who has a bigoted mindset against Hindu Dharma like Rahul Gandhi, and this is the reason people continue to reject and drub Rahul Gandhi and the Congress as they've done so in the past Lok Sabha elections, 3 Lok Sabha elections.
Well, let's go across to Raman now for all the very latest. And Raman, Rahul Gandhi firstly back on the campaign trail, back in Bihar with that joint campaign with Tejashwi Yadav. However, a big controversy over his comments against the Prime Minister, where he said he'll do any drama for votes, also talking, about, various aspects of the BJP and the BJP quick to hit back.
Exactly, Gargi. Rahul Gandhi just landed today in Bihar after 2 months and today he directly hits on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will do any kind of drama for getting votes in Bihar. And ahead of the assembly poll, Rahul Gandhi hit on Prime Minister Modi in his public rally in Muzaffarpur. He said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will do dance and whether he will do bath in the Chhat Puja for the vote bank of the Biharis so that he can get the votes of the people of Bihar. And that's why Rahul Gandhi hits out on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And just after the statement of Rahul Gandhi, the BJP also reacted on the statement of Rahul Gandhi. A BJP hit backs on Rahul Gandhi, said that Rahul Gandhi is mocking the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and just absolutely insulting the people of Bihar as well as the Chhath Puja. And BJP also saying that this is the reason why Congress party is not getting win in any states, and as far as the upcoming the past few elections which had been done in our country, apart in many of the states, and wherever no states is been done where the Congress party has ruled in the last few days and last few months. So this is the row is going on in Bihar. Rahul Gandhi just landing today in Patna and then after conducting a 2 rally, one in Muzaffarpur and second one in Darwakta. But Rahul Gandhi hitting on Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his statement, and that's why the BJP is hitting out on Rahul Gandhi.
That's right. Raman, also if you can tell us more about, Rahul Gandhi's plans now. As we said, he'd been missing from the Bihar campaign trail for a while, and it had got a lot of comments. And now finally this joint campaign with Tejashwi Yadav.
Exactly. Last he was seen in his voter adhikar yatra in Bihar in the month of August, and then after Rahul Gandhi was not seen in Bihar in the last 2 months, and finally after the allegations made by the BJP over the Rahul Gandhi, that where is Rahul Gandhi? Rahul Gandhi is completely missing from the Bihar election, and from the other side, multiples of the BJP big leaders are already campaigning in Bihar, and after so many of statements, that's why Rahul Gandhi is backing today and directly attacking on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and getting a charge. That's why their party workers and the workers of India Alliance kind of enthusiasm after the statement of Rahul Gandhi, and Rahul Gandhi think that it will work for the Congress party and it will motivate their voters, motivate their workers on ground, so that he can turn around the most number of votes for their side in the upcoming Bihar Assembly elections.